Welcome to Learn with Israel YouTube channel. Let's treat this 20 likely biology MCQ under cell division and let's see how many you can get right. Question 1. What is the main purpose of mitosis? A. Gamete formation. B. Genetic variation. C. Growth and repair. D. Energy reproduction. So the correct answer is growth and repair. Mitosis helps organisms grow and repair damaged tissues by producing identical cells. Question 2. Meiosis occurs in which type of cells? A. Somatic cells. B. Skin cells. C. Germ cells. D. Blood cells. So the correct answer is germ cells. Meiosis occurs in germ cells to form gamete, sperm and egg by reducing chromosome number by half. Question 3. How many daughter cells are formed at the end of mitosis? A1, B2, C3, D4. So the correct answer is 2. Mitosis results in 2 identical daughter cells with the same number of chromosomes as the parents. Question 4. What is the chromosome number in daughter cells formed after meiosis? A. Diploid, B. Triploid, C. Tetraploid, D. Haploid. So the correct answer is haploid. Meiosis produces 4 daughter cells, each with half the chromosome number haploid. Question 5. Which phase of mitosis involves alignment of chromosomes at the center? A. Anaphase, B. Prophase, C. Metaphase, D. Telophase. So the correct answer is metaphase. In metaphase, chromosomes align at the cell's equator before being separated. Question 6. Crossing over occurs during which phase of meiosis? A. Prophase 1, B. Anaphase 2, C. Metaphase 1, D. Telophase 1. So the correct answer is prophase 1. Crossing over happens in prophase 1 of meiosis, allowing exchange of genetic material. Question 7. Which structure pulls chromatid apart during mitosis? A. Centrioles, B. Spindle fibers, C. Ribosomes, D. Nucleus. So the correct answer is spindle fibers. Spindle fibers pull sister chromatid apart during mitosis to opposite poles of the cells. Question 8. Which of these is a result of mitosis? A. Egg cells, B. muscle cells, C. sperm cells, D. pollen grains. So the correct answer is muscle cells. Mitosis produces somatic cells like muscle cell, not gamete. Question 9. What is the total number of chromosomes in human somatic cells? A. 23, B. 69, C. 92, D. 46. So the correct answer is 46. Human somatic cells have 46 chromosomes and 23 pairs. Question 10. Which type of cell division increases genetic diversity? A. Mitosis, B. Binary fission, C. Meiosis, D. Cytokinesis. So the correct answer is meiosis. Genetic diversity is introduced during meiosis through crossing over and independent assortment. Question 11. Which phase of the cell cycle involves DNA replication? A. G1 phase, B. G2 phase, C. S phase, D. M phase. So the correct answer is S phase. DNA replication happens in the synthesis S phase before mitosis begins. Question 12. During which stage do sister chromatids separate in mitosis? A. Telophase, B. Anaphase, C. Metaphase, D. Prophase. So the correct answer is anaphase. During anaphase, sister chromatids are pulled apart to opposite poles. Question 13. Which phase is the longest in mitosis? A. Telophase, B. Anaphase, C. Prophase, D. Metaphase. The correct answer is prophase. Prophase is the longest mitosis phase where chromosome condense and spindle forms. Question 14. Cytokinesis in animal cells involves A. Cell plate formation, B. Cleavage furrows, C. Mitochondrial division, D. Nucleus enlargement. So the correct answer is cleavage furrow. In animal cells, cytokinesis forms a cleavage furrow that splits the cell into 2. Question 15. What structure is visible during prophase of mitosis? A. Chromosome, B. Ribosome, C. Nucleotide, D. RNA. The correct answer is chromosome. Chromosome becomes visible under a microscope during prophase as they condense. Question 16. The cell cycle include all except Ag1, Bg2, C M phase, D Z phase. The correct answer is Z phase. There is no Z phase in the cell cycle. The phase in the cell cycle include G1, S, G2 and M phase. Question 17. The process that ensures the same number of chromosomes is A. Meiosis, B. Mitosis, C. Fertilization, D. Replication. The correct answer is mitosis. Mitosis ensures each daughter cell has the same chromosome number as the parent cell. Question 18. Where does meiosis occur in humans? A. Skin, B. Liver, C. Testes and ovaries, D. bone marrow. The correct answer is testes and ovaries. Meiosis occur in reproductive organ to produce sperm and egg cell. Question 19. At the end of meiosis, how many cells are formed? A2, B4, C7, D3. The correct answer is 4. Meiosis produces 4 haploid daughter cells. Question 20. Which division produces genetically identical cells? A. Meiosis, B. Binary fission, C. Fertilization, D. Mitosis. So the correct answer is mitosis. Mitosis results in genetically identical daughter cell, unlike meiosis. So we've come to the end of this quiz. If you find this helpful, please subscribe to this channel and drop your score in the comments. Thank you.